Welcome to Astro Panel 2027. After months of development, testing, and optimization, we're finally ready to present the most advanced version we've ever made. Astro Panel 2027 isn't just an update. It's a new workflow designed to make post-production faster, more intuitive, and more powerful than ever before. We've completely redesigned the interface, introducing new professional modal windows, advanced tools for controlling light, color, and contrast, and an even smoother workflow within Adobe Photoshop. Among the most notable new features is the new integrated Fusion RAW engine. For the first time, Astro image stacking can be performed directly from within Astro Panel, with a dedicated engine capable of producing cleaner, more detailed, and edit-ready files. We've also introduced new modes like N-HDR, Magic Light Pro, Dodge and Burn, Vignetting, Basic Adjustments, and many other features that allow you to work with absolute precision on every aspect of the image. Whether you're a landscape photographer, an astrophotographer, or a post-production professional, Astro Panel 2027 is designed to help you achieve better results in less time. More speed, more control, more quality. This is the next generation of Astro Panel. Welcome to Astro Panel 2027. For years, Astro Panel has helped thousands of photographers process the night sky with increasingly advanced tools. But with Astro Panel 2027, we've decided to take an even bigger step. We've developed the new RAW Fusion engine, a completely new engine designed to process astronomical RAW files with a quality never before achieved within the Astro Panel and Fusion Lab ecosystem. Look at this image. On the right, you see the result obtained with Astro Panel 2026. On the left, the exact same dataset processed with the new RAW Fusion engine in Astro Panel 2027. The differences are immediate. Noise is reduced more effectively. The sky background appears more uniform and natural. Fainter nebulosity emerges with greater contrast. Stars maintain a cleaner, more defined shape. And above all, the final file contains significantly more information ready for development in Photoshop. The RAW Fusion engine represents the greatest technological leap ever introduced in the history of Astro Panel. Same sky, same RAW files, a new generation of processing. But Astro Panel 2027 is more than just stacking. We've completely reimagined the editing workflow by introducing a new generation of professional modals. Each modal has been designed to be faster, more intuitive, and more powerful. Less time in front of panels, more time dedicated to creativity. From raw stacking to the last detail of post-production, all in a single platform. This is Astro Panel 2027.